Welcome to the daily message for this Tuesday in the third week of Advent. The responsorial psalm for today begins with these words: "The Lord hears the cry of the poor." And as we know, that's a critical part of our Christian message, that the Lord does hear the cry of the poor and that we are called to do the same. My question today is, why did the Lord hear the cry of the poor? Why did Jesus in particular hear the cry of the poor so clearly? I believe in part it was because he himself was poor. He himself knew poverty. He knew hunger. He knew homelessness. He knew the ridicule that those who are poor face, sometimes because of their poverty. Jesus also understood the poverty that comes from the spiritual life, the poverty of knowing that he needed God, his Father, to be with him. So we know of all the stories of Jesus going away by himself to pray. And he did that because he understood his own spiritual poverty as well. He understood his profound need for God. During this season of Advent, the Lord invites us to know our poverty as well, especially our spiritual poverty. We are called to realize once again our need for God, our deep and abiding need for God. We're called to prayer and reflection on our need for God every moment of our lives. Thank you so much once again for watching. Stay safe. Please stay healthy.